I come so close? Everything's a bit close. Do you feel the blood rush through your head? Engaging all your senses, you are my constant presence. I could do this I want with you. Everyone's seeing how nervous you're feeling. You're holding your breath around me. Walking on tippy toes, holding your steps up from day to day, into a night. And I'm getting too uncomfortable. What if I come so close? Won't you please do you feel the blood rush through your head? Do I make you nervous? Do I make you nervous?
¿Qué tal? Yo soy Aiko. Yo no hablo español, sorry. I'm from the UK. It's very lovely to be here. How are you? I'm super happy to be here tonight. Muchísimas gracias por invitarme. Here we go. Are you feeling good? of your hand. What's the point of trying now? Hide you in the back of my memory. Sad to keep you out of my head. I can't hear the way you're talking out of my head. I'm leaving and getting better. I don't wanna be the way of you. I feel like a wounded eye. All these suckers that I never felt so alone. Give me my heart, feel like the sea I go. Thank you so much. The next song, it's really a reminder that you don't owe anyone anything. And it's your life, so fucking live it. Me, I blew the gun. The damage is done. I can't say it was fun. So me, I blew the gun. Me, I blew the gun. You said that you would tell me before I'd have left. I snapped and it was gone. I left without a word. The coward that you are, I put it in your hands, but you kept looking down. And sitting still is my ordeal. I never knew quite how you feel. I never knew to read your eyes. Thank fucking God it's left behind. Oh my, oh my. Thank you very much. Two-faced, different every day. Never knew was coming my way. Teach me how you are so alive, infectious. to see your eyes so bright. And if there ain't, it's boring, never boring. Every day I'm falling for someone new, someone new, new. She's hot and cold, today's that confused and lovely. I keep this now. She's everything I want her to be. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini, hot and cold. Boy, you were happy a minute ago, now crying on my lap. Roller coaster of emotions. So go ahead and blame it on your zodiac sign. She's hot and cold, today's the most confusing and lovely, a two-faced lover. She's everything I want her to be. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini. And they were warning signs. I never read the flags were up, and they were red. My bad. Well, at least I had fun. She's hot and cold, today's that confusing and lovely, a two-faced lover. She's everything I want her to be. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini. I think she's a Gemini. I think. Thank you very much. Okay, son, I will be needing your help. Will you help me? Hell yeah, perfect. Repeat after me, okay? Da 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 da. And a bit louder, I can actually see all of you, so let's try it again. Da 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 da. Here you go, amazing, thank you. Now you know the chorus for the next song. Please, join in. Let's get it over with. Trying to find the feet, can have your own defeat. Can't talk to me like this. Don't know how to leave with grace. Always got a lot to say. Enough is enough is enough is enough. Go fool yourself. Enough is enough is enough is enough. You think you're so goddamn. Ego. You need a detox from your ego. It seems so hard to be ya. Don't worry, looking for a cut. Stop getting over too now. Da 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 da. Wish complaining was a sport. Living in your sweet illusion. Start believing your excuses. Looking around for some support. Arguments are getting weak. Maybe it's time to leave. Enough is enough is enough is enough. Wearing the mask, but it's so filthy loud. Enough is enough is enough is enough. Still think you're so goddamn. Ego. You need a detox from your ego. Oh, it seems so hard to be ya. And you're still looking for a cut. Getting over too now. Da 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 da. slow down for a second. It is super amazing for us to be here tonight. Today, actually. It was always my dream to travel with music. And in the past year, I finally managed. So thank you so much.
I'm becoming a mess. I don't wanna clean up or deal with. I don't sleep, but when I do, I see one dream. I'm staying in my bed, don't want a second chance, don't wanna keep my temper calm. I like to feel it's real, I like the raw emotion. I have to confess, there's nothing in me that's good. Don't settle down, keep on to keep friends. I'm a narcissist, I'm an egoist. I'm impatient and I want everything now. I like to feel it's real, I like the raw emotion. I like to feel it's real, I like the raw emotion. Sometimes I don't think, I just act straight away. No regrets, really. Sometimes I cry just to remember that I feel. Sometimes I don't give myself a time to you. Sometimes I get mean to myself and I say things that I'd never say to a friend. I'm my worst critic in the end, and I don't know what to do. I blame myself for everything, I don't know what to do. I blame myself for everything, I don't think about this at all. And I want it now. Show me that you're human now. I want it now. Show me that you're human. Show me that you're human. I think that now is a beautiful moment to introduce my team. By my right is the amazing and show-stopping guitarist, Dave. By my left is the amazing and show-stopping music director, drummer, and my girlfriend, Kat. Many thanks to Josh on the sound, Alberto on our ears, the whole production team, and to Osone Camino that we're here. Thank you! And the biggest thank yous to you. Thank you so much! Show me that I'm human or I'll hunt, hunt, hunt. Show me that I'm human or I'll run, run,
Let's speed it up a bit, okay? Put your hands up and put your hands up. Clap, 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 clap. I'm in my lucky streak. I finish it on the same style, hoping it will work out. And it did. I'm in my lucky streak. And when I snap my fingers, all I want appears in front of me. Test the waters, but I got to be very patient. I'll try to figure things out first. And I'll test the waters, but I know myself. Be waiting. I keep rushing off my way. You might really be out for what you wish for. You might get it. You might get it. You might get it, oh, you might get it. Turn back again. It used to seem so easy. Now I'm trying to climb back the bucket. I ride around the hill from myself. Every step I take set me back down. They say don't follow the light at the end, but now I'm the brightest that I've ever been. Be glad for what you wish for. You might get it all. You might get it. Be glad for what you wish for. You might get it all. You might get it. Be glad for what you wish for. You might get it. You might get it. Be glad for what you wish for. You might get it. You might get it. And now I need everyone to go down. Go down. I know it's in the middle of the tape, but that's the point when you should be able to still go down. You feel in the music when to go up. Also because I will go up with you. Did you say au revoir? And all dance between love and confusion, lost in illusion. Oh, it's my lucky star. Did you say au revoir? And all dance between love and confusion, lost in illusion. You might get it up, you might get it, be yeah, what you wish for. You might get it up, you might get it, be yeah, what you wish for. You might get it, you might get it. You might get it up, you might get it. The next song is called Hunger. Oh, have you heard? There's a new shape on the market where the sculpture, they're the artist, and this week they'll leave you starving. Why are you mad? Nothing personal about it. Putting money where the mouth is. What a blessing losing pounds. Drink the water on your plate. Almonds for a pretty face. And just like Mama taught you, babe, do it for the middle gates. To be a woman is to hunger. Run, run, getting ready for the summer. Tough luck, oh, you gotta be a star. Hush, hush, to be a woman is to hunger. Where is your smile? Give us a show, a bit more energy. It's your body that's the enemy. We have been doing this for centuries. We're all different but the same. We care what numbers say. And just like Mama taught you, babe, do it for the milk. To be a woman is to hunger. Run, run, get ready for the summer. Oh, you gotta be silent. Hush, hush, to be a woman is to hunger. Oh, son, are you here? I said, are you here? I thought so. Hunger is all I know. I know my body is for sure. Hunger is all I know. Hunger is all I know. There's no way out this silent road. Hunger is all I know. Hunger. To be a woman is to hunger. Run, run, get ready for the summer. Tough love, oh, you gotta be silent. Hush, hush, to be a woman is to hunger. Hunger, to be a woman is to hunger. Get ready for the summer. Oh, you gotta be silent. To be a woman is to hunger. Hunger. Thank you so much. Last year, I had the luck to be a part of a small local contest. It's called Eurovision. And I had the luck to represent La República Checa with a song called Pedestal. So if you know it, please join me.
Sí.
Sorry means nothing when everything else stays the same, stays the same. You stay silent and I get violent and everything else stays the same. That again, I'm over it. You're so full of it, full of it. I'll give all the love to me, and then I'll truly be free. I'll truly be free, and I need to learn to. I need to learn to. Osana Camino! This is one of our last songs, so please dance, jump, and enjoy it! Hurting means nothing, and everything else stays the same, stays the same. You stay silent, and I get violent, and everything else stays the same. I'm tired of explaining your shit. You're so full of it, full of it. I'll give all the love to me, and then I'll truly be free. I'll truly be free. Yeah. screams and I love me more, love me more, love me more than your bullshit. But myself on a pedestal, you'll be loving me more, loving me more. Loving you, please don't ask for any action or any proof of the irony. Where did my pride go? I feel no shame, but you should just now I know. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing the energy, for showing up early. Thank you. I will be loving me more. Loving me, loving me, loving me, loving me. Loving me, loving me. I will be loving me more. Loving me more. Loving me, loving me, loving me, loving me. Thank you so much. This would usually be our last song, right? But last month, about a month ago, we released our first song in Spanish. So it would feel weird not to play a song in Spanish in Spain, right? I think Minovia will tell you a bit more about it. No, okay, she doesn't want to, and we don't have time. Sorry. It's called Mi Amor. Caprichoso es todo el amor. Cree entenderme y puede que no. Me miraste y el mundo se paró. En tu puerta estoy.
Sí, sí, sí. ¿Y quieres ayudar a coger mi mano? Ven aquí. Que te amo. You know what I'm talking about.
Mi amor, when you walk through the door. Mi amor, I can't walk straight through more. Mi amor, the curve of your body. No man can love me the way you love me. Pasamos horas en la habitación. Es un secreto entre tú y yo. Y si me tocas, love to zone es obvio. Toma mi cora, can't hide, I love you. Mi amor, when you walk through the door. Mi amor, I can't walk straight no more. Mi amor, girl, everybody. No man can love me the way you love me. Arriba Santiago, la forma que ves. La forma que me amas. Oh, la forma que me amas.
guiaré, enseñaré el camino.
Que valga la pena, llévame a donde quieras. Mi amor, when you walk through the door. Mi amor, you walk straight no more. Mi amor, girl, your body. No man can love me the way you love me.
Muchísimas gracias, Santiago.
Sois la puta mejor. Somos Aiko.